Alright, short video, man. This is a layer of mortar here, and it came off real soft. It came off really easy over this way, but as I got farther this way, it gets harder. So that tells me that all the problems is existing around here. This window, look, got leaves and plants growing through it. Look, the window just shakes. Look at that. So, this whole thing, I think I need to cut the drywall over more, get this window sealed up and insulated. I still got to finish chipping this stuff off here. But this stuff, we'll probably get some mesh and give it a good skim coat. Instead of drywall, just skim coat it through here and make it all smooth again. You had mold over here, but all of the mold is gone. It was there's a little bit right there, but you can spray that down with bleach because that's just concrete. I removed the dishwasher here to see if the mold continued behind the wall, which it doesn't, as you can see, and the wall is falling apart there. It's kind of soft, but I guess I will leave that alone because that will not be seen. There's no mold, and as long as we fix the problem where the moisture is coming through, that'll be fine. The rest of the wall is okay, unless she wants to get rid of this texturing here, this popcorn texture. I can scrape this off and smooth it out. So that's about where we are right now. The outside of the building and this window is the problem. I think the window is really the problem, the main problem, but the outside of the building needs sealed up, all the mortar joints, and then painted. And you also need a downspout for your gutter, and should be in good shape. Oh, there's also a hole outside right underneath the roof that needs filled in with foam as well. So there we go.